We are in
Mono.
Mono.
Or Mono? Mono, Mono.
Oh, what's this? Warning signs that I can't go in?
Oh, are we not supposed to go? Closed for the ski season. We can't go. So we can't walk. But at least you brought me here to show it.
That's weird. We can't walk. I don't think the pavilion's open.
No,
there's
we're not going.
Yes, we are.
No.
Yes, we are.
Are we going?
Yes, we're going.
We're going.
Yeah, the signs.
Are we gonna get in trouble?
I don't care. I don't live in Mono.
We're gonna get in trouble, Brad. Brad, if we get in trouble, I got this on film that it was your idea.
Done. It's all my idea. When we go to jail, Brad said it was okay.
Oh, is this like a giant lake? I'm so excited. Wow, this is beautiful. And there's like a little place for sitting over there. Can we go sit for a second? Wow. Nature's the best.
Yep.
Oh, it's so chilly, but it's fine. Oh. I just lay here and live forever. Oh,
I come here quite often.
oh, it's so free.
You can go in here. Don't eat them.
Well, we found the snow.
Wait, didn't I wear these boots when I fell in your parents' garage?
I think so. Gonna make it out alive?
Nice and slow. Slow and steady wins the race. I would love to, but I don't want to do it. So see how they put up this barricade to keep us out?
Yeah.
On that barricade.
Oh, there's a lot of garbage down here.
Yeah.
Wow, we should have came with a garbage bag and cleaned this all up. Maybe we'll do that next time we come.
There's a piece of clothing down there. I don't know what it is. But that looks like a place plant down there.
There's another one right here. Oh, it is closed. It's a pair of shorts. Is this what you wanted to show me?
Yeah.
You wanted to show me garbage.
No, so there used to be a plaque here saying Sweet Home.
Oh, you don't know where it is? Home sweet home.
Home Sweet Home.
What are these?
No, I'm holding that too. There's nothing in there.
Are these like buoys or something?
I think so.
It looks like a little like buoy. I don't know. Guys, what do you think? Alright, so that was our little adventure in Mono. What? One more place. Are we going this way?
Yes.
Mono? Mono? Mono-y Mono? I'm gonna just call it Mono.
Sure. That's so cool, that funny. You a two-part video.
No, it'll be okay. It looks creepy.
It is cool.
Wow, look at all that. Are you gonna go in it? There's broken glass? Lighter.
Yeah, exactly how it was.
Oh my goodness. So that was our adventure walking around here. I am so glad that Brad brought me and showed me around. We'll probably be hitting these trails more in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was very beautiful. Now we're just gonna head to the car to get warm, and then Brad has a haircut, so.
At 4, well, later on today.
Later on today. So he got his haircut.
Woo!
And now we are almost back at home. The end of the day is near. It is 5:22 and we're gonna go home clean. I'm gonna buy Diablo 3 and play some of that. Please leave a big thumbs up for us. Leave some comments down below to read. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe already. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.